What is going on there, guys? How are you guys doing today? And as always, welcome back to the channel. Now today is not really going to be an official video like I had planned out, mainly because this week has been really busy, so I just decided to hold off on more actual videos throughout the next week and remaining few weeks coming up. But on today I just really want to discuss on a few, I guess, channel updates real quick. Now first of all, I really just want to say thank you to everybody who's been subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate your support out there. And second, I definitely appreciate the feedback you guys give me, especially if it's based on, improving my channel and whatnot, whether it be lighting, audio, or just, those type of things in general. I really do appreciate that feedback, simply because it really helps me, I guess, better myself in order to give you guys, the best content to my knowledge, and at the same time with the best quality that I can provide also. So I really do appreciate that feedback. Whether it be negative feedback, positive feedback, it doesn't matter. I really appreciate it. Feedback is feedback, and all I can do is learn from that feedback. So I really do appreciate that again, guys. Now another thing I do want to discuss is, I know in the beginning when I first started this channel, most of my videos were probably really low quality, whether it be the focus, the audio, the thumbnails. I kind of just jumped into YouTube doing this, not expecting to do all of that, honestly, because I didn't do my research. But I'll go further deeper into that in a separate video long from now. So be sure you stay subscribed to hear that video, but that's going to be much further down the line. But I guess what I really wanted to ask some of you guys was, should you think it would be a better idea if I redid some of those videos, with better quality, since I got a better lighting now and I've been getting better at my audio editing and whatnot? Do you guys think that would be something that you'll be interested in, and maybe me redoing some of those videos and just explaining it in a better way? Or should I just continue with the videos that I was gonna just do regardless? Which regardless, I'm gonna do both, so I might try to squeeze in some videos here and there. It just really depends. And that's one of the first few mistakes that I made when I started, was trying to squeeze 3 videos per week. But I just got tangled up in too much stuff trying to do, trying to squeeze these videos in there. So that's why it really wasn't working out also. But for now, I am just going to be uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So just for the meantime being, be sure to stay updated on more videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's something I really wanted to discuss also. And I guess with just one last thing, if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on either Snapchat or Instagram. I have made both of those accounts specifically for this channel. So if anybody has any questions, or maybe you just want to follow me or anything, just keep update with me, then definitely, go follow me, check those links out. They should be somewhere in the description. If not, I'll leave a pinned post down in the comments also, okay? So yeah, guys, that's just really going to wrap it up for today. Again, today was just a channel update video type of thing. And again, I really appreciate you guys subscribing to me and just checking out my videos. And also one last thing, sorry. I know as far as my channel is, based on more stocks, and I do mention that I will make videos on different ways of making money and whatnot. I also just want to get the stock stuff out of the way more, because I did kind of start this channel to teach people about stocks, but at the same time there's more to stocks as far as money wise. So again, I definitely want to just get out all the stock stuff out of the way first, and I'll probably try to squeeze in some other type of videos along this, because I figured not everybody wants to watch stocks all the time. And most people do know about stocks already, so those people are already advanced in this, But again, this is more for beginners also, so that's why I've also been releasing these type of videos, in order to help you guys who are new to investing or whatnot better understand this. So again, guys, that's gonna be it really. Like I said, be sure to follow me. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions or anything, be sure to leave those in the comments down below, guys. Again, it really helps a lot. And as always, just give me a like. If you're watching this now, you haven't subscribed, definitely give me a chance, hit the subscription button down there, and just watch for more future content, guys. Again, like I said, the more feedback you give me, the better I'm able to provide better quality and everything. So again, guys, I'll see you on the next video, and have a great week.